76. Identify correct match. One, typhoid. Typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi and it is a bacteria. B, bacteria. And it infects small intestine. So R, small intestine. Second, malaria. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium. It is in protozoan. So C, protozoan. And it infects liver cells. Third, common cold. Common cold is caused by virus, a virus, and it infects nasal cavity, nose. So correct matching is 1BR, 2CQ, and 3AP. So the correct option is D. Question number 77. Harmful ultraviolet radiations from sun cause. Harmful UV radiations cause skin cancer, but these are prevented by ozone layer. Correct answer is D, skin cancer. Question number 78. Which toxic substance is responsible for chills and the high fever recurring every 3 to 4 days in malaria? Correct answer is A, hemozoin. Hemozoin is responsible for symptoms of malaria. Question number 79. African sleeping sickness or Gambian fever is caused by. African sleeping sickness is caused by Trypanosoma gambians. It is a protozoan. Its vector is Glossina palpalis, that is CC fly. So the correct answer is B, Trypanosoma. Question number 80. Identify the set of secondary lymphoid organs from the following. Secondary lymphoid organs. Secondary lymphoid organs are spleen, lymph nodes, tonsils, Bayer patches, and MALT, mucosal associated lymphoid tissue. So the correct answer is D, spleen and lymph nodes. Question number 81. Which one is a viral disease? Viral disease. A. Syphilis. It is a bacterial disease. B. Measles. It is a viral disease. C. Rickets. It is a deficiency disorder. And D. Beriberi. It is also a deficiency disorder. So the correct answer is B. Question number 82. Paraplegia refers to the paralysis of. Paraplegia refers to paralysis of lower part of body. So the correct answer is A. Lower limbs. Number 83. Malarial parasites could be best obtained from a patient. Malarial parasite. A. An hour before the rise of the temperature. That is wrong. B. When temperature rises with rigor. That is correct. C. When temperature comes to normal. That is wrong. And D. Few hours after the temperature reaches to the normal. That is also false. So the correct answer is B, because when temperature rises, this will occur due to hemozoin release, and along with hemozoin, parasites are present in blood, so they can be easily obtained. So correct answer is B. Question number 84. Which one of the following techniques is the safest for detection of cancer? Safest technique. Safest technique for cancer detection is MRI, as MRI is a non-invasive technique because non-ionizing radiations are used. So correct answer is A, MRI. Question number 85. Which of the following statement is not true for cancer cells in relation to mutation? Not true for cancer. A. Mutations inactivate the cell control. That is correct. B. Mutations inhibit production of telomerase. That is false, because large amount of telomerase is present in cancerous cell. C. Mutation in protein accelerate the cell cycle. That is correct. D. Mutations destroy telomerase inhibitor. That is correct. Due to this destruction of the telomerase inhibitor, telomerase amount increases in the cancerous cell. So the correct answer is B. In question number 86, in sickle cell anemia, death is caused when the lethal genes are present in sickle cell anemia. Death occurs of HbS and HbS as it is a lethal gene. So it is a homozygous dominant condition. Homozygous dominant condition. So the correct answer is B. Question number 87. Cholera patient is administered by saline drip because cholera has the symptoms of dehydration. So A. Sodium ions are essential for the transport of the substances across the membrane. That is wrong. B. Sodium ions are helpful for conserving the water in the body. That is correct. C. Chloride ions are helpful in formation of HCl for reduction. That is wrong. D. Chloride ions are the significant component of the blood plasma. That is wrong. So the correct answer is B. In cholera, dehydration is treated by administering saline drip. Question number 88. Hormone produced against allergic reaction is in allergic reaction IgE is released, and this IgE release leads to the bursting of mast cells that lead to the release of histamine, and due to this histamine release, vasodilation occur. So to treat this vasodilation, a potent vasoconstrictor is released, or that vasoconstrictor is epinephrine or adrenaline. So the correct answer is A. Epinephrine. Question number 89. Plague is transmitted by rat flea, or known as Xenopsilla. Correct answer is C. Question number 90. Ringworm in humans is caused by ringworm in humans is caused by fungus. The species of dermophyte of Mycosporum, Trichophyton and Epidermophyte. So the correct answer is B.